Hey, Joe.
Right on
Joe.
here.
Oh, who's flying it? Oh.
Mike, I'm getting away.
Uh-oh.
Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it.
Run out of battery.
What happened? Ran out of juice. Hey, Ron, we need your pole real quick.
I'm not touching, Marshall. Off the throttle.
Hold on.
Throttle.
Can I borrow your fishing rod?
If you watch, I'll burn a motor out and the ESC.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
Every time I go in the water.
I'm gonna tell you what, you gotta short it out.
Didn't you have enough juice in that?
Other people can go in the water, turn upside down, no problem. They just blow the
You
water
just
out.
do have the touch, don't you?
Inside the tail.
You got it. No. Yeah, but you got it. You got it wrapped. Already underwater. Yeah, well. That ball's kind of hard.
Ooh.
Yeah, let him get where he can get it on the shore.
Mike, that doesn't look good.
I know, Joe.
Hey, Joe. Give it full power.
Hell no. Not just no, but hell no.
Now that's fishing.
You've got the power on.
What's Ron's,
But you know that thing's still alive. I want to see Ron's fishing license and see where it's
oh yeah, it's flooded.
Everything's underwater. Oh, there's no doubt.
Hey, Ron!
The first thing you want to do is we need to see his fishing license where he caught an eagle.
I knew I wasn't going to make it back to shore.
So it just started dying that fast.
It died quick.
Could you have put a...
I'll testify.
It wasn't my fault.
I'm gonna tell you, one of them landed on that stupid there. I guarantee you that.
I'll check that matter.
I'm sure it's fine.
Hey, you know out there over there, hey, what's
Yeah.
There's something hit it for sure.
What are we doing?
Oh.
All right, birds.
That's what the birds are doing. Hey, we got that. The birds are over there giving high five.
High five.
We got that bad boy.